Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to know if someone ignored your Snapchat friend request. And all we have to do is to launch our Snapchat application, and then we are going to tap on our profile. And then we are going to tap on my friends. Not in my friends, but add friends. And then we're going to tap on the three dots. And as you can see, we even have the option to even see the ignored from added me. And as you can see, we don't have, but another way we can do it is to tap on recently added. And from there, in order for us to know whether they have ignored our Snapchat friend request, once we tap on their profile, it won't give us like some other informations like their birth dates, which zodiac sign they belong to, and if we can send Bitmoji stories to each other. Like for this person, as you can see, we may not be able to do that since they haven't added us back. So we can decide to look for another person, like let's say this person, and then we tap on their profile. As you can see, they have added us back since we can see some type of their information, like as I said, the zodiac sign they belong to, their birthday, and sometimes it may not show us the option to actually send Bitmoji stories since we haven't been talking to them. But if it just shows us this type of an information, that's how we can know if that person has accepted our friend request. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.